Welcome back viewers. In today's video we are going to check out the sound settings of AntiX. So you have to open up the AntiX control center, go to the hardware section, and here on the right side there are some settings available for the sound. So first setting is sound card chooser. So if you got multiple sound cards, you can choose the default sound card. So in my case it is the NVIDIA. So you can change it. You can change it over to generic HD video, HD audio. So this is from my motherboard, and HD NVIDIA is from my NVIDIA card, graphics card. So you can choose any between any one of them. I'm not going to change anything because that will affect the video recording that is going on at present. Then there is one option to disable the pipe fire. So if you click on this, the pipe fire will be disabled and pulse audio will be active again. So you can choose between pulse audio and pipe fire by clicking on this button. You can test your sound using this button, this option. So it is working. Now there are some basic system mixer adjustments. So here you can give and do the configurations. For example, right now this is the master sound control for the sound mixer. You can change using the up and down button keys to reduce or increase the volume. That's done. So I have changed the master level volumes to up to 90. So this will be the max volume, and this will be applicable on all the sound devices that are connected to my system. Now here if I press the F4 button, that is the sound capture button, so it will dictate the sound volumes for the microphone. If I use F5, it will show me the master as well as the capture volumes. Now you can adjust the pipe fire layer mixer. So here you can adjust the playback sound volume, recording volumes. You can see it here. I have set it at 36 for my microphone. This is the desktop audio volume that I have set. It is also 36. Then in the output devices, I have kept the speakers at 100% volume. Now in input devices, you can select the input device. I use the internal microphone. You can add external microphone. So that is shown as unplugged right now because no external microphone is used, but you can install a external microphone and do the configuration here and make it default. And in the configuration, you can see the HD NVIDIA profile is kept off, and the working profile is analog stereo duplex for the inbuilt audio controller on my laptop motherboard. So that's it. This is how the settings are done. Volume control is done. There is a toggle equalizer, so you can click on here to switch immediately between pipe fire equalizer effects and add and remove them from the startup. If you do any equalizer settings and you want to get rid of the pipe fire equalizer setting, click it here. And at the bottom, this is the equalizer for the pipe fire. This is very exciting. I will just show you. Here, you can add the different effects to your input and output. For example, I will just show you. You can add any effect. So you can add auto gain, you can add bass enhancer, you can add bass loudness, you can add compressor, convolver, crossfade, crystallizer. Then you can add dresser, delay. So different plugins are available. You can have the echo canceller, equalizer, exciter, filter, gate, limiter, loudness, maximizer, multiband compressor, multiband gate, noise reduction, reverberation, pitch processor, stereo tools. So this is just like the plugins that are available in OBS Studio. So you can use this. In the input side also, you can add the different effects. So same effects can be added to the input side also. So you can use this to modify the sound that is getting input, and you can add the effects to the sound that is getting input from the microphone to your sound card. And there are 5 settings. So here you can see you can auto load the presets. So you can auto load different presets. For example, you can see it here. Only advanced auto gain is the default. You can change here. These are the different plugins that are there. You can use any of the plugins as per your requirement. And you can change the sound that is being played by the analog stereo using PipeWire on your system, and these are the different modules that are there available in the PipeWire sound server. These are the different clients. You can also test the different channels, so you can test left, right, or both channels. You can have the waveform as sine wave or a white noise. You can change the frequency. You can enable, disable this, and these are some general settings. So a lot of fine grained control is available for the sound server in AntiX Linux. So this is it for the today's video. We will meet in the next video with some more functionality of AntiX. Bye bye.